Okay, hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. So now in this video, I want to show you how you can edit the sidebar of your web page. So not all the pages comes with a sidebar. So if you want to show the sidebar to your visitor, you will need to edit and change the template that you are using. So let me show you how you can do that. So pages or pages. So right now for this page, our services, this page does not have sidebar. So you can take a look at this page. It's a pure full content, only one column. There's no sidebar at the moment. So if let's say I want to change this page template to one with a sidebar, I need to click here, template pages, then you click swap template. So once you click on swap template, you can choose page with sidebar. So click on this one and I update again. Now I go back and refresh the page. You can see that now there's a sidebar for this page. So now the question is, how do you change the content over here in this sidebar? So what you can do is that you can go to Appearance Editor. Once you are at the Appearance Editor, you need to go to Templates and scroll down. You will see a template page with sidebar. So click on Page with Sidebar and this one. So this is where you can change. So click on this one and you can enable the navigator here. So this is sidebar. Okay, so if I want to shift this position up to the first one, so what I will do is that from here, I will shift it up. For example, okay. So this is how you can make changes to the sidebar. You can of course add in more blocks under the sidebar. From here, you can add after, and you can choose any type of block you want. As usual, same thing, you can add or delete any block over here. To delete, you just need to click here and then delete the specific block. Okay, so that's how you can change the sidebar for a page. So after that, don't forget to save the page and go back to refresh the content. You will see that now the search becomes on the top. Okay, so I hope that you find this short tutorial useful. If you like the video, please subscribe to the our channel for more WordPress related tutorial. Thank you.